What's up, guys? You're watching another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 150,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button for me too, it helps me out a lot. And let's get into today's video. I honestly don't have much plans today. I hit up Kevin last minute this morning. I was like, bro, get out your house and let's meet up and let's make a vlog. I've been trying to push Kevin to post more videos with me, like both of us make content together, because both of us have been slacking so bad and we need to post more. So guys, comment down below, what video ideas do you guys have that I can make with Kevin or with Emily or with my homie David or anybody, honestly, or any other YouTube creators you guys want to see me collab with. Any specific videos you guys want to see, comment down below, let me know. I really need some help making more video ideas. But anyways, like I said, today I hit up Kevin and I was like, bro, get out of bed, let's make a vlog today. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna make a vlog for the people. I don't know what we're doing today, but we're all meeting up right now at the homie Jason's house. The homie Jason's the one with the blue E92 and the blue F80. Pretty sure Kevin brought his M4 GTS. Bro, Kevin doesn't even drive his E92 anymore. Do you guys realize that? He's in the same position I was when I had my GTR. He has his M4 GTS, he doesn't even drive his E92 anymore. And that's the same thing I was doing. I never drove the E92 anymore when I got the GTR. Except I made the mistake on selling my E92. I should've just had it sit there like he does. Honestly, I don't know why I sold any of my cars, bro. I should've had the E36 still. I should've had the E92 still. For the money that I sold the E36 for, like, it's so stupid, bro. I did not need that money. I should've just kept the car. Especially now, that car's worth so much more. Anyways, there's Kevin actually right there. But we just made it to Jason's house. Should we hit each other? Damn, guys, look at this. All of us are out here. Look at Jason's garage, bro. Tell me this isn't goals. An F80 M3 and an E92 M3. And they're both crazy specs. Bro, why didn't you drive the E92 no more?
I do. I've been driving it for the last like fucking month, bro. Driving a lot.
Damn.
More than what I said I would. Hell yeah. Mine costs a day.
Must be nice on daily. Supercharged daily. And then that F80 is the weekend car. What about you?
Too much money, I'm broke.
Bro, you don't drive the E92 no more. Why? Just sell it.
This is more reliable.
Oh my gosh. Nah, E92 is reliable. I never had problems. This is literally my daily, bro. I need to get a new car.
What are you gonna get?
I don't know. My M4 GTS.
I'll sell you mine.
How much?
90.
Oh, would you trade me?
Straight.
I swear. Would you guys trade an M4 GTS for a GTR? My GTR. They're probably worth around the same price right now, honestly. Those M4 GTSs are a lot, bro. It's because it's like the special M4. Yeah, that's like the most expensive M4 you can buy, bro. But anyways, yeah, Jason has a sick ass garage setup. I'm so jealous, bro. Both his cars are so clean, dude. Look at that. God damn, bro. Has to be one of the cleanest F80s ever, bro. And his E92, same thing. One of the cleanest E92s. Again, I'm left out with no BMW. I know, guys, I need a BMW again. I cannot be the only one in a GTR anymore. And it just looks so good, bro. Look at that. Which one are you guys taking? The F80 or the M4 GTS? That's a hard choice, huh? I think this is called like Atlantis Blue or something, right? Someone help me out in the comments. I think it's Atlantis Blue, and it's a super rare color code. And same with this E92. This E92 is that special blue color too. Oh, it's a cop. It's a cop. It's a cop. I saw you, bro. I saw you. He was really trying to hide. You guys saw that? I would have definitely missed him if I was going faster. Bro, he's literally hidden in a little spot, bro. That was crazy. Kevin almost flew past him, too. That color's sick, I'm not gonna lie. That's also a very rare color. The frozen matte gray. Hey, it's not a wrap. Kevin, are you to the cop? Oh shit, look, we're cruising and a random RX-7 just popped up. Damn, that shit is clean, bro. Oh my god, dude, that shit is sick. One day when I have a huge car collection, we'll have an RX-7 in there. thing is so cool. That shit is sick, bro. This thing is on BBS wheels, too. That was sick. Oh! One part, no car. Tell me this isn't the cleanest F80, guys. The color, bro, is so sick. What do you guys think I should get, an F80 or an M4? 2-door or 4-door? I never would have thought that I'd be in a 4-door, but I just love how the F80s look. Bad M. Damn, look at the beach. The water is right there. Oh, it's so clean. Look at the bumps, guys. Kevin's trying to race me, bro. Should we do it, guys? Oh my god. Should we race Kevin?
Bro, why didn't you really do it? You're messed up.
I stepped on it.
You did it.
That was my fastest.
No, you didn't.
Let's do it right here. Oh my god. Oh, we're supposed to turn. I missed the turn, guys. Alright guys, I didn't film the food, but we just got food at Javier's. And outside of Javier's, there's always nice cars. Look at this. Aston Martin. Look at the new M4, bro. This color's pretty cool. I'm not the biggest fan of green, but it's a nice paint color.
See you, bro.
Later, bro. It has your color interior.
Color.
Sick. It's a pretty color. Crazy combo, bro. Green and orange. What do you guys like, the 4-door or the 2-door? I kind of like the 2-door. So yeah, guys, like I said, we just got done with food. I did not vlog the food. I don't know why. I forgot to vlog it. I think I was just so hungry. Well, the food was bomb. We ate at Javier's. If you guys haven't had that, some Mexican food. Right on the beach. It's pretty sick. Now I think we're probably gonna take some photos of our cars or do something. Make some Instagram content, some Instagram reels or something. I need gas, bro. I'm out of gas. Oh, Ferrari. Yeah, but there's always sick cars around here. Look how sick Jason's car is, bro. Just imagine this setup, but red. I just love red so much, but bro, everything's perfect. The wheels, the headlights, the lip, it's just so clean. Yeah, it's a new Hummer. It's a Saturday, so that's for sure. Everyone's bringing their nice cars out. All right, you guys know the daily routine. Oh! Just scratch the wrap.
How much is it?
Probably like 65 bucks. I don't know.
Oh my man, you're saving at least $3.
What's the price of it?
Right here, look.
Oh, but what is it for 85? Oh man.
It's literally half the price, bro.
I'm gonna put some 85 in my car.
How much do you guys fill up in the full tank?
On mine, I think it's like
80.
80? No.
80?
I filled up 94.
94? Oh my god.
That's a smaller tank.
3, 2, 1. Ah, it was off. Oh, what did I say? 60 bucks. $59. That's how much it costs to fill up the GTR, guys. It was completely empty. Oh, thank you.
Oh my god.
It's a very cool color.
So what do you call this kind of paint now?
It's actually a wrap job, so it's not paint.
That's what it
Yeah,
is.
it's wrap.
Yeah.
And then it's just like a,
They do that. They post
it's crazy, huh?
about it. I didn't even look.
It's a GTR, Nissan GTR.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Almost 60 bucks.
Told you,
Nice.
60
For a full
bucks.
tank? That's pretty good.
Look at all of our cars, guys. Sheesh. I love this color, guys. I always tease Kevin about it being a wrap. It's actually paint, bro. Like, that's insane. You guys want to know a fun fact, too? That Kevin told me that I did not know. I think Kevin told me, or I forgot who told me, but if this thing gets in an accident, like let's say someone rear ends him or hits him in the front, or any panel gets damaged, you know what I mean? It has to get repainted. I think you have to repaint the entire car because I don't think you could color match the paint. I heard it's like super difficult to color match, so you have to literally repaint the entire car. So that's scary, bro. Imagine you just get rear-ended a little bit and you have to repaint the whole car. I don't know how true that is, but yeah, that's crazy when I heard that. But it is a very sick paint job. A frozen gray. It looks like a wrap, but definitely not a wrap. And this obviously has some crazy individual color paint. But look at the spec, guys. This blue Atlantis blue, the white interior. Wow, bro. You can't really see, but the interior is insane on this car. These literally have holes in them. It's pretty sick. Does Kevin have that? Oh, he does have it. Look at how crazy that is, guys. There's a hole in the seat. It's so sick. I want an F80 so freaking bad, guys. Like, this is so sick. Looks so clean. I'm going home, G. Huh? I'm going home. Later, bro. The caps float, so they don't move. Damn, you got spinners on that shit. Where do I get that at, bro? Can someone tell me why my window keeps fogging up? Like, I can't even see out my window, bro. Like, usually your window fogs up when it's like really cold out, you know? But bro, it's the middle of the day. Look at the window, bro. It's literally all foggy.
You should host another meet here.
Imagine, guys, we've been here like years ago, bro. I think I have a video right here. These might be some of my tracks, bro. From like maybe 3 years ago, my A92, I did donuts in this parking lot. But there was, none of these things were here though at the time. Like, it was a full empty lot and I used to do donuts here. I literally have the video. My homie was hiding behind that trash can. I'll put it right here. So yeah, that was funny. We did donuts right here. And now we're here back in the GTR. It's a hard choice, guys. I know a lot of people said don't sell the GTR, but get an F80, but I don't know, dude. Is it worth trading the GTR for an F80?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't know, that's the thing. Some people are gonna say I downgraded, guys, because I'm going from a GTR to an F80.
I think the people who say that are people who don't actually know the cars.
I don't think it's a downgrade.
I don't think it's a downgrade either, but
It's not. It's just that people who don't own cars will say it based on.
It honestly depends. Like, you want power, or you want like.
I know. Bro, GTR is fun, but it's like only fun in a straight line, bro. That shit's probably so much fun, like doing anything in it, you know? So sick.
And I feel
I
like
want to hit turns, I just put my both hands on it.
no, but I think this one you'll probably have more fun. You can do more mods to this one.
And that too, I feel like there's not really much more I can do to GTR. I don't know. It's fun to mod a BMW, I feel like. I don't know. Do I just add an F80 to the collection, keep the GTR somehow, even though it's a lot of money? Or do we sell the GTR and get an F80? Bro, look at this car, dude. Look at this video I got. Oh, they're so sick, dude. Jason, what would you do if we started rolling into the water?
I jumped. I fucking like this. Fucking try to jump in and fucking get the car.
Bro, imagine how sad that would be.
Shit.
I would jump in front for you. I would try to stop as much as I could.
I already know I'm not stopping the car, and I got a better chance of trying to fucking.
Bro, imagine, guys, it's stick shifts. Imagine the e-brake just accidentally went off. I want this car so bad. I want these headlights. I want these wheels, bro. These wheels are so sick. I've always wanted a set of BBSs. Alright, we're about to line all the cars up. I told you guys, we have like no plans today. There's no car meet. It's literally just us three, bro, out here. We got food. Now we're trying to shoot photos of the cars. We got no plans, bro. Maybe we find like a car meet tonight, we'll all go to it, but as of right now, this is what we're doing. What? You're not straight.
What do I do? What?
Nothing.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, they're all crooked. Damn, guys. Which one are you guys taking out of all three of these? Same builds, same everything, same mods. What would you guys take? Comment down below. 1, 2, or 3. Bro, what's going on with my window today, bro? Look at this. I got the defroster on, but I wonder if it's like the window cleaner I use or something. I don't know, but it's literally been fogging up all day. Look, how am I supposed to drive? Bro, I'm so dumb. It was on the outside. But still, why is it doing that? What's up, buddies? What's up, buddies? I didn't film the food, but I'm gonna film the ice cream.
Got the top.
You dirty now? Okay.
Not bad, bro.
Alright guys, well, that's probably gonna end the video. End the video here in Kevin's car. If you guys enjoyed today's video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Go subscribe to Kevin if you guys are not already. He makes vlogs all the time, more vlogs than I do. But yeah, it's probably gonna end the video. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. Probably gonna go home, edit this video for you guys, post it tomorrow, and maybe go live stream tonight, because I've been live streaming. Oh, I only did it once. I live streamed Call of Duty yesterday, and maybe I'll live stream Call of Duty tonight. Just stay subscribed to the channel. You guys will see when I go live. But yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do today. Go home, edit the video, go play Call of Duty. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
That's it.
That's it.
No way.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.